AI in education. Personalized learning, Carnegie Learning. Carnegie Learning software uses AI to provide adaptive math tutoring based on each student's level, pace, and knowledge gaps identified through data analytics. Carnegie Learning software takes math tutoring to a whole new level by using artificial intelligence, AI, to personalize the experience for each student. Here's how it works. Smart Assessment. The software gathers data on a student's progress through things like answering questions and completing exercises. This data includes not just right or wrong answers, but also how they arrived at those answers. Understanding the learner. By analyzing this data, the AI can identify a student's learning style, visual, auditory, etc., and pinpoint areas where they might be struggling. Personalized learning path. Imagine having a tutor who can adjust their teaching on the fly. That's what the AI does. It tailors the difficulty of problems, provides hints or explanations in a way that suits the student's learning style, and focuses on areas where they need the most help. Real-time adjustments. This isn't a static program. The AI keeps learning about the student as they progress, constantly adapting the approach to ensure the most effective learning experience. In short, Carnegie Learning software is like having a superpowered tutor that can cater to each student's unique needs, giving them the personalized support they need to excel in math. Pro: customized instruction tailored to each student's needs. Con: potential for models to reinforce systemic biases and inequities. Automated grading, EDX. EDX's AI system can grade written essays by using natural language processing models trained on human-scored examples to assess qualities like coherence, relevance, and grammar. EDX is using some impressive AI muscle to help students improve their writing. Here's a breakdown of how their system works. Natural language processing, NLP, power. EDX's system relies on NLP models, which are essentially computer programs trained to understand human language. Imagine feeding these models countless essays with expert human scores attached. By analyzing this data, the models learn how to identify the qualities that make a good essay. Beyond grammar, these NLP models go beyond just checking for typos. They can analyze the essay's structure, coherence, how well it stays on topic, relevance, and even the appropriate use of language. AI-powered feedback. Once the essay is submitted, the AI system puts its knowledge to work. It analyzes the writing based on what it learned from the training data and generates feedback. This feedback can highlight areas where the essay shines and pinpoint aspects that could be improved. Faster improvement. Unlike a human teacher who might have a pile of essays to grade, the AI system can provide feedback quickly. This allows students to get insights on their writing and make adjustments while the information is fresh in their minds. Consistent evaluation. Human graders can have slightly different preferences, which might lead to some variation in feedback. AI, on the other hand, applies the same criteria consistently to each essay, ensuring fairness and a clear understanding of expectations. Overall, EDX's AI system acts as a tireless writing coach, providing students with immediate and consistent feedback to help them hone their writing skills. Pro: consistent, rapid feedback for written assignments. Con: inability to evaluate higher-order skills like ideation. Performance prediction. Schoolzilla. Schoolzilla's platform applies machine learning to student data like attendance, grades, behavior to predict which ones may be at risk and need early interventions. Schoolzilla is like a data detective for schools. It uses machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze a wealth of information about students. This information can include grades and test scores. These are classic indicators of how a student is performing academically. Attendance patterns. Skipping class can sometimes signal underlying issues. Schoolzilla can identify students with chronic absenteeism who might need extra help catching up. Behavior records. Disciplinary actions can be a red flag for struggles a student might be facing outside the classroom. Other data points. Depending on the school system, Schoolzilla might also integrate data from things like surveys, lunch programs, or participation in extracurricular activities. By analyzing all this data together, Schoolzilla can identify patterns and trends that might not be obvious at first glance. Here's how it helps educators. Early intervention. Imagine being able to spot a student at risk of falling behind before they actually do. Schoolzilla can help educators identify these students early on, allowing them to provide targeted interventions and support to get them back on track. Personalized support. The data can reveal a student's strengths and weaknesses. This allows educators to tailor their teaching approach to each student's individual needs. Informed decisions. Schoolzilla doesn't just provide data, it helps educators make sense of it. With clear insights, teachers and administrators can make data-driven decisions that benefit the whole school community. In a nutshell, Schoolzilla empowers educators with the power of data to proactively identify and support students who need it most. This can lead to a more positive and successful learning experience for everyone. Pro: identifies at-risk students for proactive support. Con: risk of labeling students based on proxies versus root causes.